This how to 1 minute will show you how to organize or reorder WordPress pages with drag and drop. So if you have a bunch of pages in your WordPress and now you want to reorder all of your pages, follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, we will install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here simple page reorder, and this is the plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin successfully activated, now go to pages section and it's time to reorder page. You can simply drag any page like this and you can reorder the page, as you can see. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.